just had such a fun time at the beach, but it is time to go home. I checked the weather. St. Simons was reporting 3,500 foot ceilings broken. The rest of the way appeared to be VFR for the most part, with ceilings between 3 to 5,000 feet. If you have not checked out my part 1, my flight from Atlanta to Jekyll Island, please go ahead and check it out. I'll have the links in the video.
Hi, Kavi, are you ready? Jekyll Island traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, departing runway 18 Jekyll Island. Alive, 70 knots. Whoa. We're gonna fly over the beach, Kavya. Gotta see, look at the beautiful beach outside.
After a beautiful takeoff over the ocean, I contacted Jacksonville Approach for a flight following request.
Jacksonville Approach, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta request.
66 Romeo Delta, go ahead.
66 Romeo Delta, we're about 2 miles northeast of Jekyll Island. Would like to request VFR flight following to Papa Delta Kilo. We're a Grumman Tiger Alpha 5 Bravo. We're planning to cruise at 4,500.
November 66 Romeo Delta, squawk 1675.
1675 for 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, radar contact 2 miles southwest of St. Simons out of 3,000 feet. Give me your destination and type of aircraft again. I couldn't quite hear you.
We're headed to PDK Papa Delta Kilo. We're a Grumman Tiger Alpha 5 Bravo.
Thank you very much. Maintain VFR, Brunswick altimeter 29904.
294, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 24 Uniform Golf, contact Savannah Approach 120.4. Legion 773, Roger. Cross baggy, correction, cross Looney, I'd maintain 10,000. If you're unable, just let me know. Step 434, yard lease, clearance for if not for 5 minutes. If not for 5 minutes, advise not later than 7 minutes of intention.
Release, void if not off in 5, I'll let you know no later than 7. I talked to you in the air, flight at 434.
While climbing to my cruise altitude, I saw a wall of cloud in front of me. I couldn't tell how high the clouds were, so I thought I'd request an IFR clearance just in case I needed one.
Access Center, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta request.
Go ahead.
6 Romeo Delta, I know we said VFR. I might request IFR clearance if I encounter any cloud, just to be advised here.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Roger. You verify you are IFR equipment capable and you have your search and rescue information on file?
It should be 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, Roger that, and stand by just a sec. 66 Romeo Delta, you're clear to Peachtree to cab via direct Dublin, direct, climb and maintain 6,000.
Dublin, climb and maintain 6,000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Forgot 3510, contact Jacksonville Approach 127.0. And I'll get right back to you. Whoever's on the ground, I gotta make a phone call. November 630 Romeo Juliet, contact Jacksonville Approach.
So far the flight has been smooth and everything is going on great. until I hear this from the air traffic control.
November 66 Romeo Delta, I'm showing some moderate to extreme precipitation. 12 o'clock and 30 miles, about 5 miles wide.
6 Romeo Delta.
Although there was no convective activity issued in the forecast, this is to be expected in the springtime in the southeast. As noted by the ATC, these were embedded storms which are harder to see.
Jackson Center, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, go ahead.
6 Romeo Delta, looking at the weather, should I take a left turn somewhere to dodge that?
For 6 Romeo Delta, yep, showing about like a 10 to 15 degree left turn for about 40 miles, we'll keep clear of it.
We'll turn left 15 degrees, 6 Romeo.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, just re-clear direct to Dublin when you're able.
6 Romeo.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, contact Jack Center 127.57.
127.57, 6 Romeo, thank you. Jacksonville, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 6000.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Jacksonville, Center Roger. Please deviate left and right of course as much as you need, and then direct to Peachtree to cab when able to bind for the scattered areas of water heavy. And embedded extreme precipitation along your route of flight for about the next 80 miles. Now altimeter 2990.
2990 for 6 Romeo Delta. Might have to repeat that, I couldn't get most of it.
6 Romeo Delta, the altimeter 2992.
2992, 6 Romeo. Will this heading keep me out of the weather here?
November 6 Romeo Delta, currently right now it would keep you to the out of the precipitation, but it is moving to the east, so it may develop to the west and move into you, so keep me advised if you need to deviate.
66 Romeo. Jacksonville Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, requesting 20 degrees left.
November 6 Romeo Delta, you can deviate left or right of course as much as you need, and then proceed direct to Peach to your destination when able and advised.
6 Romeo Delta, 20 degrees left, deviation approved, proceed direct to PDK when clear.
After my home-built ADSB device failed to show the weather in front of me, I used my eyeballs and T-Mobile network to pull the internet weather radar to navigate around the weather.
Jackson Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, Jackson.
Jacksonville, how is the weather looking in front of me right now? I think I saw most of the stuff to the right of me.
November 6 Romeo Delta, A firm, include direct to Peachtree to cab.
Direct to PDK, 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta approach 124.2.
124.2, 6 Romeo Delta, thanks for your help. Atlanta approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 6000.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta approach, making altimeters 2987.
2987, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, are you familiar with the Worgans 3 arrival?
Negative 6 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, did you say negative?
Negative 6 Romeo Delta.
Okay, are you able to look it up?
We will, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta is Whiskey, Romeo, Golf, November, Zulu, Worgans 3. And if you can, go direct Worgans intersection, join Worgans 3 arrival, let me know please.
Alright, 6 Romeo Delta, let me get back to you.
When you are flying into big class Bravo airspace like the Atlanta Class B, the controllers sometimes expect you to be aware of the arrival procedures. Since I was not really prepared to fly IFR that day, I did not have a chance to review all the arrival procedures.
Atlanta approach Grumman 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta. Yeah, I found Oregon's waypoint, so I'm headed directly there, but I don't seem to have the entire arrival procedure.
Okay, 6 Romeo Delta, that's a good start, and I guess when I'll hand you off to the next sector, you can just let them know that. Thank you.
We'll do 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, contact approach 126.97, expect vectors.
2697, 6 Romeo Delta. Thank you.
Departure 148 Charlie Zulu is 1,700, climb and peak out. Cirrus 148 Charlie Zulu, Atlanta departure, IDES, climb and maintain 7,000.
7,000 it is, 148 Charlie Zulu.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 6000.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta Pros, good evening. Select visual approach runway 21 left, fly heading 340.
340, 6 Romeo Delta.
Cirrus 148 Charlie Zulu, turn 5 degrees right.
Out to the right, 1470.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, descend to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4000, 6 Romeo Delta.
I'll keep my eye out for him. I do not have him in sight right now, 51 X-ray.
6 Romeo Delta, traffic ahead to your right, less than a mile northwest bound, 3,500 in the sky lane, 3,500.
The traffic is clear, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, the traffic is no factor.
6 Romeo Delta, thanks.
Calling 51 X-ray, traffic no factor.
Traffic no factor. I had him in sight too. They went straight over. 51 X-ray.
Thank you. Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, fly heading of 320.
06 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn 5 degrees right.
Turn 5 right, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, traffic 11 o'clock and 5 miles southwestbound. On the final is an RV7 you'll follow. Let me know if you happen to pick him up. Descend to maintain 3,000.
Distance maintain 3000. I don't have the RV in sight, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, the RV now 11 o'clock, moving to 10 o'clock, 3,500 descending, fly heading 270.
Flight 270, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 240, advise Peachtree in sight.
240, advise Peachtree in sight.
You said you had the airport?
6 Romeo Delta would have the airport.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, cleared visual approach, runway 21 left.
Cleared visual 2 on left, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, contact tower 120.9. Have a good night, y'all.
Contact tower 6 Romeo Delta, thank you for your help.
Bet.
Peachtree Tower, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, visual for 2 on left.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, clear land.
2 on left, clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta.
Overall, it was a great flight. I wanted to thank you for joining me and my family in this trip. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
6 Romeo Delta, turn right, taxiway, Delta, cross runway 2 on right, ground point 6.
Delta, cross runway 2 on right, contact down 6 Romeo Delta.